Today we are going to tour 731 East Gary Lane in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this beautiful single-family home built in 2016. It offers 1,734 square feet of living space with 3 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a den. This home is located right by South Mountain hiking trails. It is in a gated community with a pool, parks, and walking trails. This property also provides convenient access to local schools, shopping centers, and major highways. Additional amenities include a 2-car garage, a private backyard, and an internal laundry fitted with a washer and dryer. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. The interior boasts an open floor plan, seamlessly blending tile flooring in the common areas with cozy carpet in the bedrooms. And the kitchen is equipped with white granite countertops, modern appliances, and ample cabinetry, enhancing the home's functionality and style. And to wrap up our tour, here is the lovely primary bedroom, which includes an ensuite bathroom with craftsman tile, a waterfall shower, and shiplap wall. Thank you for watching the tour, and have a great day.